Today, we have a lot of information to share, including the pricing, specifications, and features of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is arriving with more enhancements than we had anticipated. There are rumors that the iPhone 15 Pro would be available in a crimson red shade. New color options for the iPhone 15 series are also being announced. The iPhone 15 and 15 Plus will be available in green, while the Pro and maybe the Pro Max will be available in a new dark blue shade akin to that of the iPhone 12 series, according to Lika Unknowns 21 on Twitter. It's also intriguing because it seems to be made of titanium, proving the veracity of earlier rumors that the iPhone 15 was made of titanium. Now, the titanium will help safeguard the phone and improve its longevity in addition to giving it a new brush finish and giving it a different look. The good news is that, despite the fact that the phones have a similar design and size, the battery capacity throughout the whole range may be increasing. One of the iPhone 15s will reportedly get an 18% boost in battery capacity, according to a report from a Foxconn insider who worked on the iPhone's assembly. The iPhone 15 now has a battery capacity of 3,877 mAh, compared to 4,912 mAh for the iPhone 15 Plus, 3,650 mAh for the iPhone 15 Pro, and 4,852 mAh for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, according to the report. Since the iPhone's battery life has always been mostly satisfactory, increasing their physical capacity and installing a new, more effective processor would improve it even more. According to Min Chi Kuo, the new Apple Vision Pro is a major factor in the ultra-wideband processors being upgraded as well. Apple is reportedly planning to integrate Wi-Fi 7 into its iPhones, but sadly, the iPhone 15 Pro models won't be able to take use of it until the iPhone 16 is released. We've got a case leak from Majin View on Twitter, and he shows off a new case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It pretty much shows us exactly what we're expecting, a similar looking device that is also slightly more curved, and as you can see, we have a cutout for the new action button above the volume rockers. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.